said, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the top dog of them all? There was a ruffle double, 5 minutes it lasted. The mirror said, oh, you can see it lasted. Well, that's true. That's why we never have no beef. So I slipped off my khakis and my gold leaf. Use oil of LA cause my skin gets pale. And then I got the foul for my fingernails. I'm true to the style on my behalf. I put the bubbles in the tub so I can take a bubble bath. Clean, dry was my body and hair. I threw on my brand new doggy underwear. For all the bitches I might take home, I got the Johnson baby powder and cool water cologne. Now I'm fresh, dressed like $1,000,000. Threw on my white socks with my old blue chucks. Stepped up the house, stopped short. Oh no, I went back in. I forgot my endo. Then I dilly-dally. I ran through I bumped into this mocha name from the valley. This was a girl playing hard to get, so I said, what's wrong? Cause she looked upset. She said, it's all